Hello everyone, welcome to another round of Takniki Tuesday. So markets have been tough since last 1 week. So we were expecting a bounce, but there was a breakdown below 17,350 in Nifty. So clear cut एक breakdown आया है. Markets are very tense due to जो banking issue हुआ है, banking collapse हुआ है US में. So markets are really nervous. हमारे यहाँ पे भी निफ्टी एज वेल एज बैंक निफ्टी बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रेशर में है. But in today's podcast, we want to convey this that again the data of FI's long short ratio is near to 15%. So we feel that markets might not sustain at lower levels. हमें लगता है ऐसा कि शायद मार्केट लोअर लेवल्स पर सस्टेन नहीं होगा और यहाँ से फिर से बाउंस आएगा. जब भी बाउंस आएगा बहुत ही ब्रूटल और शार्प बाउंस आएगा शॉर्ट्स को ट्रैप करने के लिए, ऐसा हमारा मानना है. क्योंकि हमेशा ही डेटा जब भी हमने ये डेटा फॉलो किया है, हमने देखा है कि जब बाउंस आया है बहुत ही फास्टर वे से आया है तो शॉर्ट्स जो रहते हैं उनको निकलने नहीं मिलता. तो एटलीस्ट मैं ये कहूँगा कि अगेन आई वुड रिपीट कि यहाँ पर शॉर्ट्स जो भी है वो एक बार बुक कर लीजिए. लॉन्ग्स मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि लॉन्ग्स कीजिए ही, बिकॉज कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है. बट येस, बाउंस यहाँ पे आ सकता है. लेवल्स की बात करें तो 16,800 एक सपोर्ट है. 17,000 का फिलहाल तो साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट है. आफ्टर दैट 16,800 इज अ सपोर्ट. अपसाइड रेजिस्टेंस, फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस इज एट 17,350 and then 17,800 will be a major hurdle for maybe a couple of weeks unless and until fundamentals don't change in the market. 17,800 will be difficult to be taken out. So Nifty का ये व्यू है. With regards to Bank Nifty finally I guess it has given a breakdown of that 39,400. So Bank Nifty, which was outperforming Nifty since quite some time, now it has given the breakdown. But even with regards to Bank Nifty also, we feel that this could be a trap. This breakdown can be a trap. If at all our view goes wrong, then Bank Nifty has a potential to retest 38,000, which is around 1,300 points from here on. So 38,000 is a major next support for Bank Nifty. Upside resistance, obviously 40,000 will be the first resistance because of psychological nature. तो 40,000 का एक resistance है. And upside उसके ऊपर overall बड़ा trend की बात करें, major trend reversal will come only above 42,000, which is very very far from here, almost 8 to 9% from here on. So upside range first 40,000, then 41,000, but major trend deciding level is 42,000. So overall Bank Nifty range is 38,000 to 42,000. Nifty I already mentioned 16,800 and 17,800. So with this we'll end our podcast today. Thank you very much.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.